بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan, in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء فسواهن 7 سماوات وهو بكل شيء عليم.
It is He who created for you all of that which is on the earth. Then He directed Himself to the heaven, His being above all creation, and made them 7 heavens, and He is knowing of all things.
وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون.
And mention, O Muhammad, when your Lord said to angels, indeed I will make upon the earth a successive authority. The said, will you place upon it on who cause corruption therein and sheds blood, while we declare your praise and sensitivity. You, Allah said, I know that which you do not know.
وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها ثم عرضهم على الملائكة فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين.
And He taught Adam to name all of them. Then He showed them to the angels and said, inform me of the names of these if you are truthful.
قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم.
They said, exalted are you, we have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Indeed, it is you who is knowing the wise.
قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون.
He said, O Adam, inform them of their names. And when he had informed them of their names, he said, did I not tell you that I know the unseen aspects of the heavens and the earth, and I know what you reveal and what you have concealed.
وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين.
And mention we said the angels prostrate before Adam. So they prostrated except for Iblis. He refused and was arrogant and become of the disbelievers.
وقلنا يا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة وكلا منها رغدا حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين.
And we said, O Adam, will you and your wife in paradise and eat therefrom in ease and abundance from wherever you will, but do not approach this tree, lest you among the wrongdoers.